Hey guys, coming back with a video about the, I think it's called Qinsui or Qinsui, one of those, or I'm totally butchering the name, but new pad from Esports Tiger based off this pad. Alright, I have the box here. We're going to unbox it here and get some first impressions on it. I don't cut myself. So I ordered this, I believe it was Thursday or Wednesday. We were on holiday, so I just got here on Tuesday, so that's pretty good, I guess, for being over on the holidays. So it came in this brown thing. Trying to make sure there was no packing slip with like my information on it, but there's that. Comes in this pretty sleek looking black box. And then I also went ahead and ordered some Tiger ice feet, although I think they might have changed the packaging because this doesn't usually feel like their old it doesn't feel like their old packaging that they used before. Feels a little flimsier, but it's just packaging, etc. It's mouse feet. Yeah, I got two for the Razer Viper Ultimate. If you haven't tried not Razer, Esports Tiger ice feet, definitely recommend it. So super smooth, and it just feels amazing gliding across your mouse pads. I've always liked the packaging from Esports Tiger. It just looks so cool. I hate throwing it away, but yeah, it's always a nice unboxing experience. Get the pad out of here. They always come with this film. Off the bat, I can already tell this thing is super soft. Super soft. Doesn't smell too bad out the box. Usually some pads have this super strong like chemical fume smell. Yeah, look at that gold logo, dude. Holy moly. That looks sick. I'm not sure if it'll affect you in game, but it does have a different texture on it. It's sick. I'm gonna bend it to see if it shows a crease or anything in it, because even by like a little, like you can see those little creases when I try to bend it a little. Now it does not look like there's any creases that are staying in there. I try pulling it. Nope, that is on there. That is super cool. So the logo doesn't look like it's gonna peel off or anything like that, but it has more of like a ripple effect more than it looks like it's creasing. But you can also tell like how dark the pad is on my desk because my webcam is having issues trying to white balance. I can already tell that I would probably recommend the pro version over the regular version. This is just much more comfortable, and I feel like a lot of people would appreciate the comfortness that it gives you. This pad is just aesthetically pleasing as well. It's just plain black with the gold logo. That is sick. As far as muddy, like a muddy feeling of the pad, I don't feel much, but it might change. It might change the more I use it and get a feel for it and actually have like my palm sweating and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm loving how this glide feels so far, especially on my wrist. I'll pull up my sleeve because I already mentioned that I have to test out these pads. Okay, yeah. Like when they have no stitch edges, because sometimes they feel like sharp. This one is kind of sharp, but just only slightly. So might just want to wear sleeve for the first couple days, breaking it in, try to smooth that out, get it softer, but nothing too harsh. Look forward to using this pad. I'll probably make up a follow video on it. I really just do like the softness of this pad. That's like the one thing that has stuck with me since I unboxed it. Another thing I forgot to mention is the base is rubber, just like the non-pro version. And now I'm going to include a clip dump of using the pad. Oh, that's a different squad. Yeah, fuck. Holy shit, I got mad bad.
Go back in, go back. You're out of the open. Nice shot.
Oh my god. Shit.